Hello friends, which reptile makes the sound hiss? That's right, snakes. Do you know that there are two categories of snakes? Have you ever heard about the largest snake in the world? Let's discuss all about it in today's video, which is all about snakes.
Snakes are classified as reptiles with long thin bodies but no legs. They are cold-blooded animals, which means that they can change their body temperature according to the surroundings. Snakes can live in forests, deserts, ground, trees, streams, lakes and even ocean. The only place where they cannot survive is the Arctic and the Antarctic Circle. There are two categories of snakes: venomous snakes and non-venomous snakes. Venomous snakes have poison in their body that they use to defend themselves and kill prey. The most common type of venomous snake is the rattlesnake, having a rattle-like tail that often shakes loudly. American copperheads are another type of venomous snake that is extremely dangerous because their venom is extremely powerful. Non-venomous snakes are not poisonous, but they have sharp fangs to attack their prey when eating. Non-venomous snakes like the rhinoceros rat snake use a creative way to kill prey in order to survive. The large python is another non-venomous snake that wraps its body around and squeezes the animal until its prey is no longer alive. Snakes' jaws are so flexible and wide that they can even tackle a big prey. Snakes do not have taste buds. Instead, they have a sensor in the roof of their mouth that they can use to taste. Anacondas are the largest non-venomous snake, whereas pythons are considered the longest snake in the world. Most of the snakes have 4 rows of teeth on the upper jaw and 2 rows on the lower jaw. For protecting themselves, some snakes camouflage themselves, whereas others burrow in the ground. Some snakes play dead when threatened, and other snakes release a foul smell as a skunk does. Snakes do not use their teeth for chewing, they use their teeth for grasping, holding and hooking their prey. The food that they swallow can take around 10 minutes to travel from the throat to the stomach. Sometimes it even takes days to months to fully digest the food. Snakes can determine the size of their prey through vibrations on the ground. Most of the snakes have poor eyesight. They can only distinguish light and dark so that they can use their sense of smell and touch. Some of the most poisonous snakes include sea snake, adders, cottonmouth, rattlesnake, copperhead and cobras. Pit vipers are the type of venomous snake equipped with a specialized heat sensing system located between their eyes and nostril. This organ helps them to sense the body heat of animals in the dark. Unlike other snake species, the garter snake lives in countries having cold climate such as Canada. They are relatively small and come in different colors.
Hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning about snakes. If you wish to watch more educational and fun videos, subscribe to our channel Always on Learning. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends too. Thanks for watching.
To watch out the full video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.